Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Noise Cancelling Earbuds by COUMI. These are true wireless earbuds. Yeah, ANC in-ear TWS headphone earbuds with 6 built-in mics for clear calls. Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C quick charge is possible, and 41 hours of playtime. IPX7 waterproof, so you can have a shower with them and you can go running, have sport, etc. No problem, but do not deep diving with it. Deep bass. And it comes in a black finish. Ooh, active noise cancellation with the upgraded dual-core digital noise reduction chip and hybrid active noise cancelling built-in microphones. The COUMI ANC-860 noise cancelling earbuds mainly focus on cutting out the low-frequency noise of aviation environment. Trains, subways, buzzy office. The noise reduction depth is up to 28 decibel, offering a truly and immersive music call experience for us. And environmentally noise cancellation. The built-in 6 microphones with ENC technology. The COUMI wireless earbuds has a dedicated internal and 6 external microphones pick up our voice and isolate it from outside noises. So that we need not to speak loudly, and also we can hear from each other's voice very clear when calling. And smart touch control. The wireless earphones but are touch controlled rather than button operated. We can operate the earphones easily without using our smartphone. Play, pause music, preview snacks, answer and calls. All this is possible to use by only our hands, our fingers and the touchscreen. And voice assistants. All the operations are at our finger touch. It is more convenient than other button control earbuds. And premium sound. With the TWS and Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the sound comes through punchy bass sound and hi-fi stereo sound with 12.5mm large size speaker. The COUMI True Wireless Earbuds offer a truly immersive experience to us. Yeah, when listening music, playing games, watching movies and calling. And it has an all-day battery life. The COUMI ANC-860 wireless earbuds is up to 41 hours of battery life and fast charging function to meet all-day power needs. The earbuds provide 5.5 hours of playing time ANC on or 75 hours of playing time ANC off. And we can enjoy an additional 35 hours with a charging case. With USB-C fast technology, transfer speed is up to 10 gigabit per second. USB-C offers a more stable and safer way to charge the charging case fully in 90 minutes. COUMI hybrid active noise cancelling true wireless earbuds with 6 built-in mics for a clear call and Bluetooth 5.0. These earbuds mainly focus on cutting out the low frequency noises of aviation, environment, trains, etc. And its reduction the depth is up to 28 decibel. It's offering us a truly immersive music and call experience. Ooh, awesome. COUMI is a brand focusing on high-end Bluetooth headphone. Its product series included AI voice controlled earphones, TWS earphones, ANC earphones, and hearing safety earphones. The smart voice equalizer earphones, high resolution earphones with in-ear, on-ear, and on-ear itself, and ear hooks possible too. Over neck types are also available by COUMI. COUMI has its own R&D team and production factory. dedicated to the development of trusted products and creating high-end headphones that spark real emotions. And the active noise cancelling true wireless earbuds in this case are attached with active noise cancellation mode, and you can go to it by only push twice on the buttons, on the touch buttons, and premium sound, 41 hours of playtime, one-step pairing, IPX7 waterproof, touch control, and it comes in pocket size. The active noise cancellation cuts out 80% of noise. 6 mics detect noise and COUMI, then counter it with equal anti-noise before we can hear it. Outward-facing microphone detects the external sounds and counter with equal anti-noise to first cancel the noise. Inward-facing microphone listen inside our ear canal to pick up the internal sound and produce the anti-noise again to twice cancel the left noise. Ear caps prevent 80% noise going to the ear canal. And you have 3-point fixed structure. Awesome. The 3-point fixed structure supported of the ear mechanism makes the bearing more fit and durable and comfortable. The product number is ANC-860. The product material is polycarbonate and ABS. The Bluetooth version is 5.0. The Bluetooth profiles are HFP, HSP, A2DP, and AVRDP. The communication distance is 360 degrees up and minus 10 meters. Working time is 5.5 hours with ANC on and 7.5 hours with ANC off. The charging time is around about 1.5 hours. The earbud's battery capacity is 60 mAh. The charging case battery capacity is 720 mAh. The dimensions are 62.5 to 62.5 to 29.2 millimeters. And the weight is about around about 150 grams. But the complete set. The COUMI ANC-860 wireless earbuds is up to 41 hours of battery life and fast charging function to meet all-day power. The earbuds provides 5.5 hours of playing time ANC on or 7.5 hours playing time ANC off, and we can enjoy an additional 35 hours with the charging case. IPX7 waterproof. This using a nano coating technology to protect from threat and rain in daily use. We can even clean the wireless earbuds with water after workout, running and exercising, no problem. And advanced compatibility. The wireless headphones Bluetooth can easily and quickly connect with any devices, have Bluetooth connected, such as smartphones, smart TV, laptops, computers, etc. No problem. And it comes with a pocket size. The compact charging case is pocket size and lightweight for recharging our earbuds anywhere and anything. So, we can enjoy our music all day long, isn't it? Awesome. Yeah, really awesome. It's really easy to wear these earbuds. Choose the right size of the rear tips, S, M, or L. Then pick up R and L the earbuds into our ears and rotate the earbud to the direction of the arrows to make the earbuds more stable fitting. That means you have to rotate it a little bit to the front area. Okay, this is easy and it is convenient. And active noise cancelling is typically capable of cutting out the low frequency noise like aviation environments, etc. And it blocks about over 70% of background noises in most environments. And you can use the touch buttons easily to get the previous or a next track. Press and hold for 3 seconds. On the left side it's the previous, on the right side it's the next track. Answer and hang up the phone. Click the touch button, right or left. Activate and deactivate the ANC option. Double click the touch button. Tap, 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 job's done. And if you like to have stereo support, press the touch button for 1 second when connected. And it's really easy to connect. Only go to your setup of your smartphone, for example, or your iPad, etc. Then go to Bluetooth. Then release the earbuds out of the case, and they will start pairing automatically. After this, you can see in the list of your smartphone the earbuds by COUMI and get a pairing mode. Job's done. That it is. After this, the memory function is enabled, and every time you will pick out the earbuds out of the case, they will pair automatically with that device. These are the noise cancelling earbuds by COUMI, true wireless earbuds ANC in-ear TWS headphones with 6 built-in mics for clear call and music, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C quick charge, and 41 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproof, and deep bass, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.